I'm here with Kavel Rafferty. Kavel, can you please talk to me about your work?
So my work normally uses found objects. So this piece is an old poster that it would have been on a teenage bedroom wall, I guess.
Yeah.
And then the pieces of wood that I use are pieces of wood that I find on the street as well. So if I can, I try and use as much found material as I can. And then basically I redact the information that I want to get rid of. So I'm adding paint and removing information. And then I might keep some of the text. So then you have an abstract piece with text. And I enjoy words. I'm interested in how you can change words and meanings. And yeah, so a little bit about therapy, a little bit about self-help. Yeah.
Cool. I mean, yeah, they become these kind of like text-based abstract paintings. I also notice you often put, or you always put these beautiful frames on. You frame the pieces. I really like your palette. What kind of paint is it? Because it's very glossy.
So this is, when I started out working, I was working on small pieces. So I was using enamel paints, which had a super glossy feel.
Yeah.
And to try and recreate that, but on bigger pieces, I'm using household gloss. And then the framing, I have a really good framer who will experiment and do work with me. So then I give him the paint to colour match. Mm-hmm. So I just think to finish the whole piece. And because I'm using found material, I think it just gives it an edge polish.
And what is the allure to the found material? I understand that might be part of a response to the world in which we live in, the fact that there are these...
Yeah, I mean, I'm not the greatest recycler in my own home,
Okay.
but I like the idea of using... I like the patina of old things that you find.
Yeah.
I like that haphazard way, like the way of using things. But also, everything feels overproduced, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm trying to be frugal in the way I work.
Yeah.
And use items that already exist in the world.
Yeah.
But then recreate them to make something.
So you're kind of in a
new.
relationship with these objects, and they're
Yeah,
kind of
definitely.
like they've got their pre-existing patinas, and then you're applying new paints, new textures,
New meanings.
new frames.
Yeah. So
reframe you.
yeah.
Well, brilliant.
Totally.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.